Hello guys, I just geared up my Steam Deck over the weekend, and thanks to the PlayVital for sending me those Steam Deck skin and controller rubber pads for review. I think I really love this setup that I have on my Steam Deck right now. It took me about 20 minutes to put the skin on the Steam Deck. The skin cutout is pretty accurate and precise. I always like to skin my handheld just to prevent scratch. During the installation process, I had a couple times where the skin was not aligned correctly, but I can just always peel it off and put it back to the correct position. The sticker will still be working fine in this case. Also, I found that if I remove the skin from the deck, there is no sticky residue left on the deck surface. So if you think you have to be skilled to apply skin to your Steam Deck, that is totally wrong. I think everyone can do this job. I made this big mistake during the installation, so I have to use a toothpick to get them out. This is pretty bad. So please make sure you remove all those small pieces on the top of the speaker from the skin before applying the skin onto your Steam Deck. Luckily, I removed them all eventually. The next thing I am going to install is the soft rubber pads for the back buttons on the Steam Deck. Those rubber pads feel pretty soft and comfortable. The only drawback is that they do have a rubber smell, which I hope they will fade away after a while. If you are gaming for a long period of time on the Steam Deck, the rubber pad will just provide extra comfort for your finger. Now I will install the rubber pads on the touchpad and handle grip and the shoulder buttons. Those rubber pads will just offer more friction on the touchpad. Also, it protects the touchpad. Those shoulder button rubber pads are definitely offering extra comfort. My favorite rubber pads are for the handle grip. After installing those handle grip rubber pads, the gripping experience on the Steam Deck feels even better. It adds more friction. It also has a soft touch feel to the Steam Deck. The touchpad is working perfectly fine with those rubber pads installed. The last thing I am going to put on is the joystick caps. Those caps will protect the joystick while also providing a better grip for your finger, because the original cap gets dirty and wears off so easily. I have had the joystick caps on my Steam Deck since the first day. That's pretty much what I have done to my Steam Deck. I think most of the stuff is quite helpful. My only complaint is that those rubber pads have slight rubber odor, which I hope fades quickly. As always, thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel if you think what I just shared is helpful.